Hello students, I Tara, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Canara Engineering College, Mangalore. In today's session, we are going to solve the problem number 5 under Module 1, Chapter 1. Okay, this is the problem given, find currents in various branches of the network. Okay, so this is the network given. Okay, here this is hexagon, right? The same circuit can be redrawn like this. Okay, after redrawing the circuit, okay, we have to name the nodes. Let it be A, let it be B, let this be C, D, E, F. Okay, and here 100 amperes is incoming, 80 amperes outgoing, 90 amperes incoming, 150 amperes outgoing, 120 amperes incoming, and 80 amperes outgoing. First, what we have to do, let us assume current through the branch AB. Okay, let us assume the current direction clockwise. Okay, let us assume all the currents in all the branches, okay, clockwise direction. Okay, after assuming this, what we have to do, okay, here applying KCL to node B. Applying KCL to node B, what KCL says, sum of the incoming currents is equal to sum of the outgoing current. Okay, if you are assuming current through branch BC as X and current direction is clockwise, okay, then sum of the currents incoming, only I is incoming, is equal to sum of the currents outgoing. Okay, 80 plus X is outgoing. So let us find X. X is equal to I minus 80. Apply KCL to node C and find out this current. Applying current KCL to node C, okay, these two currents are incoming, only this current is outgoing. This outgoing current is equal to I minus 80 plus 90. So it is I plus 10. Okay, I plus 10 amperes. Next, again this I plus 10 ampere is incoming to node D, 150 is outgoing, and this current is outgoing. Okay, so when we add these two, okay, these two currents will be equal to I plus 10, or this current is equal to I plus 10 minus 150, so it would be I minus 140, right? Now I minus 140 is incoming to node E and 120 is incoming to node E. Applying KCL at node E, the outgoing current is equal to I minus 40 plus 120, so it is I minus 20. Okay, now I minus 20 is incoming to the node F and 80 amperes is outgoing. Okay, and this current is outgoing, so this current is equal to I minus 20 minus 80, so it would be I minus 100. Okay, when you apply KCL at this node, you have to get I, then your assumptions are correct. Okay, let us apply KCL at node A. Okay, these two currents are incoming. Okay, only this current is outgoing, so this has to be I, otherwise assumptions are wrong. Okay, so I minus 100 plus 100, it would be I, so our assumptions are correct. Okay, now what we have to do, this is one circuit, right? This is one closed circuit. Applying KVL to this circuit, the algebraic sum of EMFs and voltage drops is equal to 0. No EMF in the circuit, but voltage drops are there. Okay, current into resistance gives the value of voltage drop, correct? So every branch you take, okay, AB, okay, VAB plus Okay, VBC plus VDC plus VED, okay, VDE plus VEF plus VFA is equal to 0. Okay, sum of the voltage drops and EMFs in the circuit is 0. Okay, only voltage drop is there. So sum of the voltage drops is equal to 0. Let us see what is VAB. VAB is 0.02 into I, 0.02 into I plus VBC 0.02 into I minus 80 plus 0.03 VDC, it is 0.03 into I plus 10, 0.03 into I plus 10 plus VDE 0.02 into I minus 40. Okay, 0.02 into I minus 40, 140 plus, okay, VEF 0.01 into I minus 20, 0.01 into I minus 20 plus VFA I minus 100 into 0.001 into I minus 100 is equal to 0. Okay, now we'll expand it. Okay, it becomes 0.02 I plus 0.02 I, so it would be 0.04 I, 0.02 into 80 minus 0.02 into 80 plus 0.03 I plus 0.02 I. Okay, it would be 0.05 I plus 0.03 into 10, 0.03 into 10 minus 0.02 into 140 plus 0.01 into I, 0.01 into I. So it is 0.02 into I, okay, plus 0.01 into 20, not plus, it is minus, okay, 0.01 into 20 minus 0.01 into 100. Simplifying this, okay, we get 0.04 I plus 0.05 I, 0.09 I plus 0.02 I, 0.11 I is equal to, okay, minus 5.3. On solving all these, okay, we get minus 5.3. Okay, so 0.11 I is equal to 5.3. So I is equal to 5.3 divided by 0.11. So answer is I is equal to 48.18. What is the question? Find the currents in various branches of the network. So current through branch AB, IAB, okay, which is equal to I, which is 48.18 amperes, and current through branch BC, IBC is equal to I minus 80, right? So IBC, I minus 80, which is equal to minus 31.82 amperes, okay, and current through branch CD, which is I plus 10, ICD I plus 10 58.18 amperes, and current through branch DE IDE, which is I minus 140, so it is equal to minus 91.82 amperes. Current through branch EF, okay, EF, which is I minus 20, okay, so I minus 20, which gives the value of 28.18, okay, and current through branch FA, which is I minus 100, it is minus 51.82 amperes, correct. Okay, here you may observe here IBC is minus 31, okay, ID is minus 91.82 and IFA is minus 51.82. okay, what it indicates? The assumed current direction is wrong, it has to be reversed. I mean the current direction here IBC, okay, it has to be upward, okay, here also same thing, okay. Then you have to write here IBC, current through branch BC, and DE and FA are assumed in wrong direction, so it has to be reversed, okay.